Hey everyone, we are group 5 today. We will go to Binondo to try 3 different duck dishes and know their history and their uniqueness. Dito po tayo sa Lucky Town, Chinatown Mall po sa Binondo po. Lucky Chow Dim Sum House is a Hong Kong-style restaurant that recently opened its first branch at Lucky Chinatown Mall in Binondo in April 2025. Part of the Mega World Lifestyle Mall brand, the restaurant aims to provide a nostalgic dining experience with traditional Cantonese comfort food and a vibrant interior retro design. For our purchase dish, we bought camellia oil duck soup for 280 pesos, traditional braised ginger duck for 480 pesos, lastly roasted duck rice for 300 pesos. Total, it cost around 980 pesos for 3 dishes with 1 serving each. Try ko camellia duck oil soup, the roasted duck rice, and the traditional raised duck na ginger rice base, tapos ito po ay na-braise po sa braising liquid po. May lasa ng warm, tas savory ng lasa ng duck soup. Ikaw, anong lasa?
Lasa siyang chicken for me.
Ang taste profile.
Taste profile niya. Sarap.
Itong braised duck, braised ginger. May lasa. Salt, less naman daw. Kasi subtle, pero may parang na-balance na din na salt is sweet. Ito ka na, umami na ako.
It has flavor.
No.
It has the umami flavor.
Now, itong roast duck with rice. Salt, sa atin ang sweet, salt, at may combine ng flavor, tas parang with salty, tas parang may umami din itong roasted duck. Ang lasa, para sa iyo.
For me, lasa siyang roasted chicken ng inasal. Flavor-wise, masarap naman siya. Tapos, it has that umami flavor. I'm not gonna say affordable, but pwede na. Pag kasama mo family mo,
Friends mo.
Family or kasama pa friends mo?
Working sa bank.
Worth it siya for kung nagka-game kayo ng dog.
Thank you po sa for serving us po race na dog soup and dog food. Salamat po sa ating dog po for the hospital. Thank you. Bye.